Hey, good morning everybody. I'm going to go over a couple of quick tips on how you can prune your basil plants. Now basil plants, if they're not pruned, they'll just grow really tall and then eventually they'll go to flower and seed, which actually degrades the flavor of the basil. So what you want to do is actually, once it's about 6 inches tall, you can start pruning it back. And what that will do is the plant will then fill out and get bushier, and you will get a lot more basil. So basil has these different sets of leaves that you can see here, where they branch out, and every couple of inches there'll be another set. So you see there's the top one here, and then there's another set here, down here. Got another set that comes up on the camera. And so when you trim it off, you can trim it back. Actually, you can go all the way down to like the first set of leaves. You want to leave the first set of leaves. So I'm going to start here, and you want to come up from like where a leaf set is and do it just about maybe 1/4 of an inch above that leaf set. So there you got a nice set. Mine's kind of wet because we had some heavy rains last night. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to come down and trim some of these off. And there you go. So I did it sort of uniformly, so now they can bush out again. And I'm going to go around and do this to all of my plants. So by pruning your basil back, you're going to get a lot more basil over the whole season. And what you want to do is basically do this probably about every 2 weeks. You'll be able to prune it back, and that will keep it from going to seed and give you lots of delicious basil. So I hope you found this little video helpful for pruning back your basil plants so that you'll get lots of delicious basil throughout the rest of the season. Hope you're having a great day. Thanks for checking out our video, and please subscribe. See you soon. Namaste.